Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix couldn't start Palworld Win64-Shipping.exe file CreateProcess returned error. So if you are on Steam, you're going to do this like so. You're going to open your Palworld, then you're going to go to Properties, Install Files, and you're going to browse. I'm going to do this on Xbox Game Pass because I have it here. Then you're going to go to Files and Browse. Now you will have this opened. You want to go to Palworld, then Content, then on Steam you should see something like so. So you want to go to Pal, Binaries, Win GDK or Win64, and you're gonna see it like so. So this should be the pile Win64. It is GDK for me. Basically you will see it here. You want to right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility, and if you have anything enabled here, you want to untick it and just leave it like so. Then you're going to click apply and OK, and this should fix the problem. If you don't see this shipping file here, you want to uninstall your antivirus because it's probably blocking this file. And yeah, if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.